Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through the most important topic in NEET PG from physiology, which is nerve muscle physiology. You can expect at least 3 to 4 questions from this topic in every entrance exam. The questions from this topic can get theoretical and complicated, so do stick with me till the end, where I've included some very high yield definitions and tables which you must know by heart. This is part 2 of the physiology series. If you haven't, then go through part 1 from the link above. Initiation of nerve impulse starts in axon hillock plus initial segment. This is a previous NIMHANS question. Action potential is initiated at the axon hillock plus initial segment of the neuron because threshold for excitation is lowest. Most diffusible ion in excitable tissue is potassium. Resting membrane potential of nerve cell is equal to which ion's equilibrium potential? Chloride. The maximum rate of axonal transport is 400 mm per day. Synaptic potential can be recorded by microelectrode. This is the previous AIIMS question. Magnitude of action potential is determined by sodium ion. This is the previous JIPMER question. Relationship between nerve thickness and conduction velocity is linear. Sodium ions are specifically blocked by tetrodotoxin. This is the previous AIIMS question. The neurons may get irreversibly damaged if exposed to significant hypoxia for 8 minutes. Increase in threshold level on applying subthreshold slowly rising stimulus is known as accommodation. Nociception from abdomen is transmitted by C fibers. The afferent fibers which are most sensitive to local anesthetic belongs to groups A. This is the previous AIIMS question. Orthodromic conduction is defined as an axon can conduct impulse in one direction only. Neurons in sympathetic ganglia are multipolar. This is an image-based question about the types of neurons. Any one of the 4 could be given and you could be asked to identify the type of neuron. Also, questions can be asked about where all the different types of neurons are found. Unipolar neurons are found in the 5th cranial nerve, bipolar in retina, and the 8th cranial nerve, which is vestibulocochlear nerve. Pseudo-unipolar neurons are found in dorsal root ganglia or sensory neurons. And lastly, multipolar neurons are found in sympathetic ganglia, Purkinje cells, and motor neurons. So this is a very important slide. The site where myosin head binds to actin in skeletal muscle is covered by tropomyosin. Myosin filaments have a fixed length of 1.6 micrometer. A twitch of motor unit is called as fasciculation. Ion responsible for tetanic contraction of muscle, calcium ion. Most distinguishable feature between skeletal muscle and smooth muscle, troponin. Calmodulin protein activates protein kinase. Ion not associated with nerve transmission, magnesium ion. Action potential is produced because of sodium influx. Golgi tendon organ determines muscle tension. This is a previous AIIMS question. Now coming to a very high yield question, which has a high chance of coming in NEET 2021. Vulnerable period of heart is a time occurring during which wave of ECG? So the answer is T wave, and T wave corresponds to depolarization. This is a very important question. Coming to some must-know definitions. Firstly, Rheobase, the minimum strength of current to stimulate a nerve regardless of the time it takes. Second, utilization time, time taken for Rheobase current to stimulate a nerve. Third, Chronexy, time taken for twice the Rheobase current to stimulate a nerve. So these three are very important definitions, and any one of the three could be asked in your entrance exam. Now, two important tables to know. First, values of resting membrane potential in different cells. So there are 5 cells whose resting membrane potential you need to know. First, neuron minus 70 millivolt, red blood cells minus 10 millivolt, SA node minus 30 millivolt, ventricle minus 90 millivolt, and thyroid, which is minus 50 millivolt. Any one of the 5 could be asked as a direct question. Ion responsible for depolarization in different tissues. In nerve, the ion responsible is sodium ion. For skeletal muscle, sodium ion. Smooth muscle, calcium ion. SA node, calcium ion. Ventricle, sodium ion. And lastly, endolymphatic potential, which is the odd man out, it's potassium influx. So all of the 6 are very important, and any one of the 6 could be asked as a direct question. So do learn it by heart. So thank you everyone. I've covered 25 important one-liners from nerve muscle physiology, important definitions, tables and images. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.